Bank of America Online Banking Sign In. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can sign into Bank of America Online Banking, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to sign into your Bank of America Online Banking account, it's actually quite very simple. All you have to do is download the Bank of America mobile banking app, or you can go to bankofamerica.com. Once you open it up, if you don't have online banking, you can tap on get started to sign up or enroll for it, or you can tap the login option that you can find here. Tap on accept option here. Then once you have done that, you'll be able to see this interface where all you have to do is simply make sure to enter your user ID and your password. Then just tap on the login option, and then you'll be able to log in to your Bank of America online banking. That's all it takes to sign into your Bank of America online banking. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.